Hello everyone, this is Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. In this episode, I will be covering this lesson about function value. In our previous episode, we already studied what function means. This time, I will be discussing function value. When we say function value, this is the result or the output obtained when specific input is applied. So if y is a function of x and is given by an expression f of x, then this function is represented symbolically as y is equal to f of x. Okay, take a look at this function machine. If we will input, or let's say the value of x is 10, then this machine will calculate x plus 1. So this is 10 plus 1. So our output is 11. Okay, what about in these functions? So f of 2 is equal to x plus 1. So this is our function. Okay, the value of x is 2. So it means 2 plus 1. So f of 2 is equal to 3. Okay, what about in the second example? Negative 3, f of 5. The value of x is 5. So x plus 1, 5 plus 1, then that's equal to 6. And since we have negative 3 here, we have to multiply negative 3 by 6. So this is now equal to negative 18. So negative 3, f of 5 is equal to negative 18. Okay, from those examples, then we can say that in the function y is equal to f of x, the value of y determined by each value of x denoted as f of x is called the function value of x. Okay, let's give another example. What is the function value when x is equal to 2 in this function f of x is equal to 3x? So the value of x is 2. So that means f of 2 is equal to 3x or 3 times 2, then that's equal to 6. So f of 2 is equal to 6. Okay, let's have more examples by answering this concept check question. We will find the following function values for the function f of x is equal to negative 2x plus 1. Okay, number 1 is f of negative 4. So the value of x is negative 4. So this is equal to negative 2 times the value of x, which is negative 4, plus 1. Okay, negative 2 times negative 4, that's 8. So 8 plus 1, then that's equal to 9. So f of negative 4 is equal to 9. Okay, number 2 is f of 0. So this is negative 2 times the value of x, which is 0, plus 1. So negative 2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 1, then that's equal to 1. So f of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, number 3, f of 1 half. So f of 1 half, that would be equal to negative 2 times the value of x, which is 1 half. So times 1 half plus 1. So negative 2 times 1 half, then that would be equal to negative 1. So negative 1 plus 1, then that's equal to 0. So it means f of 1 half is equal to 0. Okay, now let's answer these simple problems. The first problem or question is, for the function f of x is equal to negative 2x plus 5, what is the value of f of 2 plus f of negative 3? Okay, first, this function, f of 2. So this is negative 2 times the value of x, which is 2. So negative 2 times 2 plus 5. Okay, negative 2 times 2, that's negative 4. So negative 4 plus 5, then that means f of 2 is equal to positive 1. Okay, what about in this function? F of negative 3. So f of negative 3 is equal to negative 2 times the value of x, which is negative 3. So times negative 3 plus 5. So negative 2 times negative 3, that's 6. So 6 plus 5, then that means f of negative 3 is 11. Okay, the question is, what's the value of f of 2 plus f of negative 3? F of 2 is 1. F of negative 3 is 11. So 1 plus 11, then that's equal to 12. So the answer is 12. Okay, and for our last problem, let's also answer this one. For the function f of x is equal to negative 3x plus a, and if f of 3 is equal to 5, then what is the value of constant a? So, f of x is equal to negative 3x plus a, and if f of 3 is equal to 5, then we will find for the value of constant a. So, it means negative 3. So this is f of 3 is equal to negative 3, and then the value of x, which is 3. So times 3, okay, plus a. And this is equal to 5. Okay, negative 3 times 3, that's negative 9. So negative 9 plus a is equal to 5. So what will be a here? So a now would be equal to 5, okay, plus 9. So a is equal to 14. So in this problem, the value of constant a is 14.